Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about comment in Terraform. So a comment is a text note added to the source code to provide explanatory information, okay, usually about the function of the code, okay. The Terraform language support three different syntaxes for comment, okay. The first one is the hash, begin a single line comment ending at the single line. Another one we have is double forward slash, also begin a single line comment and as an alternative to hash, okay. And the third one is forward slash then wildcard and the wildcard then forward slash. Are start and end delimiters for a comment that might span over multiple lines, okay. So whenever you are writing Terraform script for production use, okay, it's always good to add comments for the all task, okay. Whatever script you are developing, it's always good to add comments so that anyone can easily understand what that a specific task a script is going to perform and going to create what kind of infrastructure it's going to create in real time, okay. So it's always good practice. So let's go here in the VS Code. So I have some Terraform script here. I will use it to show you how we can use comment and all, okay. So first let me provide the comment for this section, okay. So here what this code will do, it will fetch the AMI from the AWS and it will create the resource, okay. It will create the EC2. So what comment I will give for better understanding. So EC2, okay, using creates EC2 using data block, okay. So if anyone is coming and reading what this script will do, they can easily understand. It will create the EC2 using the data block, means the AMI will be always the latest one, okay. But what we have seen the different way to comment it. So we have first one. This first one we have already seen using this, okay. But suppose if you want to comment this as one this line, okay. So we have to use control and forward slash, okay. So this line got commented, control and forward slash, okay. And if we want to comment multiple line, we can also use control and forward slash, but it will get commented with the hash only, okay. And so let me control Z, okay. So the second option we have seen like double forward slash. So let's try this as well. So what we can do, we can use, we can like this, we can use like this and we can use like this, okay. But it will not work for multiple line, it will work for only single line, okay. So if you want to comment the multiple line, what we can do, we can, so let me uncomment it. So let me do control Z here, okay. So if we want to comment from here to here, so what we can do, we have to add forward slash then the star wildcard, okay. And where we want to end our script, so if we put forward slash and the star, our entire file will get commented, but in this case we don't want. And suppose if you want to comment an entire file, then you can do like this, but in our case I don't want, okay. So what we can do, we can come here. I want to use this block, okay, but I don't want to use this block. I want to comment this entire block, okay. So I can use a star and forward slash, okay. So this entire block got commented, right, using this method. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, any confusion regarding this video, then do let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.